When exploring remote areas or traveling where cellular service is unavailable, offline maps are essential. They ensure you can navigate confidently, plan routes, and find landmarks without relying on an internet connection, keeping you safe and prepared no matter where your journey takes you. Fortunately, your iPhone offers robust offline map capabilities through Google, Apple, and third-party apps like Avenza Maps. In this video, we'll guide you through downloading and using offline maps to ensure you're never lost, even off the grid. Google Maps offers comprehensive offline capabilities. To download maps for offline use, open Google Maps and search for the area you wish to save. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select Offline Maps. Select your own map. Adjust the area by zooming in or out and tap Download. The selected map area will be saved to your device, allowing you to navigate and search for places in the area you downloaded without an internet connection. With iOS 17 and later, Apple Maps allows you to download maps for offline use. Here's how to set it up. Open Apple Maps and tap your profile icon. Select Offline Maps from the menu. Tap Download New Map and enter the desired location in the search bar. Adjust the area by pinching to zoom in or out. Then tap Download to save the map to your device. Once downloaded, you can access turn-by-turn directions, place information, and estimated arrival times without an internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is updated to iOS 17 or later to access this feature. To test if offline maps work for you, switch your phone to airplane mode and open your Maps app. Navigate around the downloaded area to ensure you can access the details you need. Remember, you'll only have map capability for the areas you've downloaded, so make sure to download maps for all the regions you plan to visit. Remember, offline maps expire after 30 days, so make sure to update them regularly. For advanced offline navigation, especially in outdoor environments, Avenza Maps is an excellent choice. Simply download and install Avenza Maps from the App Store. It is free. Once installed, explore the Avenza Map Store to find and download maps tailored to your needs, including topographic and trail maps. Avenza Maps offers a vast selection of maps suitable for various recreational activities. Many are free. Some require a small fee. By preparing your offline maps in advance, you can navigate confidently, regardless of cellular coverage. Here's a handy bonus tip for your offline adventures. Did you know your iPhone's Compass app can help you navigate and share your precise location with others, even without cellular service? Open the Compass app, which is pre-installed on your iPhone, to see your current heading and GPS coordinates. This helps you stay oriented and align yourself with a map or navigate unfamiliar terrain. To share your location, tap and hold the coordinates at the bottom of the Compass app until the Copy option appears. Select Copy, then paste the coordinates into a text message or paste in your notes to find that exact spot again. This allows you to share your precise location, whether for safety or to update someone on your progress. These features are invaluable tools for staying safe and connected during off-the-grid adventures. Before heading out on any off-road adventure, it's crucial to fully charge your phone to ensure it's ready for navigation, communication, and emergencies. If your trip will last multiple days, a backup power source like a portable battery pack or solar charger is essential. A charged phone can be a lifesaver, helping you stay connected and prepared in remote areas where resources are limited. Subscribe to our channel to explore the wonders of desert life, from its wild landscapes and wildlife to the vibrant communities that call it home.